Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Dodge Durango headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a new bulb and a screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns. Then, open the hood of your Dodge Durango to get clear access to the headlight assembly. This initial preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Next, you'll need to access the bulb itself. Look for the 2 or 3 retaining clips or screws located on the top of the headlight assembly. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove these fasteners. Once the clips are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward from its housing. It might feel a little snug, but it should slide out with a firm, steady pull. Now it's time to replace the bulb. Twist the old bulb's connector counterclockwise to unlock it from the assembly. Carefully pull out the old bulb. When inserting the new bulb, handle it by its base and avoid touching the glass part with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Push the new bulb firmly into place and twist clockwise to secure it. Finally, slide the headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Reinstall all the retaining clips or screws you removed earlier, making sure they are tight and secure. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Also, check the description for a link to amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.